What's going on, guys? Today we are reacting to Campfire Cooking in Another World, Season 2, Episode 2. So, Mukoda and his friends are going to be going to Dolan City because they are trying to find someone that is adept with dragons because they have this giant earth dragon that they're trying to cook up. So I'm very excited for this episode. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And with all that being said, let's jump right into the reaction. So that's Dolan. It's a pretty big city. Yeah. Sui wants to go pew pew in the dungeon. Dude, Sui is probably my favorite part of this show. He's just so freaking cute. And Dora, too. Dora's pretty cute. Oh, they got a whole line of people trying to get in. Okay. Oh, he doesn't want to wait in line. Feels like, let's just jump over. I wonder if anyone in line has like turned around and saw them. Oh, now they do. You tell me they didn't see him like when they were walking up? Wait, so can they just let him in right now? Oh, it's the elf, right? Yep. So that must be, dang, what's his name? I think they said it last week. Erlin. Or Elrond. Elrond. I'm pretty sure he's like actually like crazy. Like he loves dragons, he just goes crazy about them. Oh, yep. Yep. Yeah, he loves dragons. Dang. He just completely ignored him. I guess he's writing down some notes. That looks like piss. He's gonna give the dragon a bunch of piss. What the hell was that moan? Yo. Oh yeah, that's what he came here for, is the Earth Dragon. It's the whole thing, right? Like, it's gonna be this just giant dragon. Uh-oh. Ugor, what the frick? Oh, he has a meeting? Oh, snap. Uh-oh. I guess he always just, like, has to crack down on him because he doesn't listen. It was 238 years ago. What is this piano in the background? Look, Mukoto's just in the background. Dude, that dragon looks like a dinosaur. Yeah, it literally looks like a dinosaur. They're like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? Phil's like, hurry the fuck up, man. I'm trying to eat that thing. He eats anything that he makes. So I guess, like, what the elf thought was just completely different. He's like, what the? Never heard of this. Damn, he's never heard of telepathy before. Easy for me to say. You know, he reminds me again from Kaiju number 8. How he's like a leader and like, you know, he can be serious, but then he acts like super stupid and goofy. Fel just wants to eat it.
バーストラゴンを食するんですか？フェンリル様が召し上がるということはつまりみんなで食べるつもりです。ぜひとも
He's gonna please let me taste it. Uh-oh. Elrond, was it? You can have a small portion. He's fucking crying, bro. What the heck? They're ready to go to sleep after that. Dude, he's like asking them a bunch of questions, trying to figure out what's going on with this Earth Dragon. What does it mean to you? It means it's gonna taste good, that's what it means. They've been waiting to eat this whole time. Does Sui even have a stomach? I think he just absorbs everything. Nani, you got any Wagyu? Hokkaido? I was gonna say, that's a place. Genghis Khan? What the fuck? I guess he's about to cook it. So they literally have a Genghis Khan pot. What the hell? Dude, I always feel so bad for him because like he'll take all this time cooking it and then they eat first. He always eats last. Dude, Mappa always makes this stuff look so good. Like, dude, even like the sizzling of the bubbles is like makes it look so good. Oh my gosh. They're gonna take it maybe like, oh, this is the best thing ever. Yep. It's so good. He's like nibbling on them. Yeah, so he's gonna make them more before he even eats any of his. Oh, he just got himself sandwiches. So these are butter sandwiches? Is that what it was? Is it like a cream filling with chocolate chips or something? That's what it looks like. Give me another one so I can actually tell. It's supposed to be the other way around. Dang, they got no sleep. Is he finally done? Oh, he didn't even start? Bro, what the fuck was he doing, bro? He's just fucking passed out. Damn. Not gonna lie, this is sort of annoying, the way he takes so fucking long. It's like, just get it done already, bro. It broke! What the? It broke! Damn. For someone who's supposed to know what he's talking about, it almost seems like he knows nothing. Mukoda's gonna have to, like, order a sword or something from the freaking shop. Damn. Well, maybe they'll eat it next episode. Damn. Oh, he's so disappointed. Oh, they're gonna go to the dungeon. Dang, so this is just like prolonging what's gonna happen. You always just gotta tell them, like, you won't be able to eat, and then they'll be like, alright, fine. Oh boy, what are we making today? Dude. Every single time they animate the food, it looks amazing. Orc pork kimichibo.
おまけに温泉卵も乗せちゃおう。おお。それじゃあいただきます。
So like they open the egg or no? I meant the yolk, like would they open the yolk and like let it spread all throughout, but I guess not. Yeah, they need to hurry up and get that done. That's the whole point they came here. Wait, what? Is this kids? Oh. Okay, I forgot, yeah. What are they looking at? Oh. Yo, what? Oh, he's talking to them. Okay. Oh, the god of blacksmithing. Oh, he's probably gonna give him a sword that he needs. Yeah, is he gonna ask him? Yep, mithril knife. So he's telling him to make it. I thought he would make it. He's a blacksmith. A pot or two of alcohol as offerings. The heck? Dude, all I hear is Zoro with his voice. They did the same thing last season. Bro, why don't you just make it for him? Like... Wait, what? Sui can make swords? Uh-oh. So he's gonna bless him when he goes into the dungeon? Fell? Andorra. What the heck? So Sui's gonna become a blacksmith. What? He's been a busy man. Yo, the fact that Sui is gonna be a blacksmith. Oh, so they have. Okay, hold on. They're still gonna go in the dungeon and get the mithril. Oh, they already have some? Oh, dude, I remember that. He still wanted to go fight. That's how bored he is. Yo, that's OD, bro. He just gives him the oars and then pops out a sword. Yo, he's doing it all these. Here it comes. He looks like it's made out of slime. Oh, mithril knife plus. What's the plus mean? Listen to your master, damn it. Alright guys, that was Campfire Cooking in Another World, Season 2, Episode 2. So tell me your thoughts down below in the comments. What was your favorite part of the episode? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.